Hi Mina, it's your girl Von 7 Anime Freak, and I have a cushion review today from Korea from Amazon. Let's go. So keep on watching to see how I got this beautiful radiant glow. And note that I have very dry skin and this definitely helped me. I'll put the link in the down bar below. I love this brand. This is definitely a staple. This is probably my favorite cushion to date. Here's how the packaging looks like. It is VINNE or VINNE. It is a SPF 50 PA++ Essence Radiance cushion. The cushion itself is also black in this hard top, and I got the shade 21 Light Beige. It's gorgeous. It comes with the mirror, it comes with the little sponge applicator. I love the fact that it's black. And as we open it up, it is sealed, of course. And it has the logo on it. How cool is that? I'm not wearing any foundation at all. I'm just wearing a little bit of eye makeup. And I never, oh my gosh. Oh, this is a hard one. Oh, that's cool. That means it's gonna last a while. So what you do is you just press it a couple times. And you just lightly dab it on your face. I do have dry skin and redness, so this is definitely going to match my neck. As you can see, my face is more red and pink, and my neck is more white. I'm going to show you guys half of the face, and I just dipped it in one time. This is full coverage, even though it gives you a it's not matte at all. It gives you a nice dewy radiance, healthy glow as well. And I'm going to be doing half of the face and comparing. As you can see, this side matches my décolleté, matches my chest. It's a very gorgeous, natural looking finish. This side is a lot more red, and you can see a little bit of my discoloration and pores. This one camouflage it so well. This is full coverage. This is gorgeous. It has little dots in the cushion as well that makes application easy and smooth. So let's go ahead and finish the other side. Here is a zoom in of the product with no primer, nothing. This is serious business. This is full coverage, guys. This is amazing. Look at all my redness. Look at all my redness. This cushion foundation contains moisturizing essence and lightly adheres to the skin to create bright and radiant skin. This product contains SPF 50 PA++++ Essence Radiance Cushion. This has SPF 50++. I'm going to test this a little bit more, but as you can see, it gives you a healthy, dewy glow. Normally with these types of products, I don't like to powder all over my face. I just do it in the T-zone, or unless you like this glowy look, more power to you. I really love this.